So this is what I'm matching. So we've got to do this profile here on the bead, and he just wants to match a flat panel like that. So we've got to cut these louvers out, trim up and around it, run the beads in and lay the panel in and bead again over the top. I don't really know how these louvers are held in this particular door, so I'm just going to put a speed bore through it, and I'm literally just going to cut them out with the jigsaw, and that'll give us some insight. Okay, so they've been housed in, which is how they should have been done. So I'm just going to cut around them a bit with the Stanley knife here, because they're sticking a little bit to the varnish and that's causing the timber to split. It's just Western red cedar, so it's not very strong. So as I said before, that's the, put it around the right way, that's the bead that we've got to match. So this is the bead that'll be going in. So it's, by the time it's been arrased, it'll be pretty much the same.